1. Insulated stainless steel. 30 ounces tumbler with double wall vacuum technology to keep drinks hot for over 6 hours and cold for around 24 hours. 2. Premium material. The tumbler is made from high quality 300 for food grade stainless steel. Lead free and durable, rust proof, easy to wash, and unbreakable. 3. Superior powder coated finish. Sweat proof, easy grip. The advanced technology prevents heat transfer to the outer wall, condensation free and long lasting. 4. BPA Free Sliding Lid. Eco-friendly and splash proof, extra sealed, and the lid cover provides maximum splash proof capability. Product information: color, dark pink, blue, green, black, white, rose red, pink. Material of liner, 304 stainless steel. Insulation performance, 6-12 hours. Material: inner 304, outer 201. Shell material, 201 stainless steel. Style: cup. Function: portable. Style: sports.